People, welcome back to the channel. Today on David's Galaxy, we are talking on how to install and how to use ShareX. First off, we need to download ShareX. I'm going to drop the link down in the description below so we can follow it, download it, then we'll continue with the process. Okay, so once that is done, we need to install it. So we have to go to our installed EX, our setup folder, then we'll run as administrator. Okay, so once that is done, we have to accept the agreement and next, then create shortcut, run ShareX. When you start, so just click on next and install, then the extraction began. ShareX is a screen recording program. It can be used to take screenshots, or you can use it to record your desktop screen. Then once that is done, you launch, then you click on finish. Okay, so once that is done, ShareX is going to pop right up and we're going to talk about how we are going to use it. Okay, so there we go. We have some short code. We have control plus print screen to capture screen, print screen to capture entire screen, alt plus print screen to capture active screen, shift plus screen to start recording, control plus shift plus print screen to start recording and stop recording. That's a bunch of short codes. That's what we are going to be using to take our record and to capture. We can capture the full screen, we can capture window, capture a monitor, a region, region light and transparent, show color. So we have a bunch of options there to upload. We have the upload file, upload folder, the upload text, the upload region, and for the workflow we have the capture. We have a bunch of tools and a bunch of stuff that you can mess with around when you're free. So I'm just gonna take a screenshot. Okay, so we have our screenshot saved already. It's as simple as that. It's a free and easy program. You can learn how to use it. Please, if you enjoyed the video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notification every time we make a new upload. And I'll see you in my next video. And also, you can check out my other video on how to use OBS Studio. I'm going to drop the link down below so you can follow it. Peace.